Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to discuss the Forest River Grey Wolf line of travel trailers. These RVs combine quality construction with superior comfort and affordability. The Grey Wolf line is focused on helping you escape the ordinary and experience something new. The Grey Wolf line features floor plans ranging in length from a little over 23 feet to almost 34 feet, and in weight from roughly 3,700 pounds to about 6,400 pounds. The travel trailers are divided up into 15 standard travel trailer units and 5 toy hauler models. Within the 15 travel trailer floor plans, 10 of them are bunk models. The 17 BHSE, 22 MKSE, 26 CKSE, 26 DJSE, and 27 DBH all feature double-over-double bunk beds at the rear of the unit on the camp side next to a full bathroom. The kitchen and living areas of these units, however, do vary. For example, the 26 CKSE has a sofa across from the entertainment center, while the 27 DBH has a super slide with U dinette across from the kitchen. The other 3 all have a campside dinette with the kitchen on the off-door side. The 5 remaining bunk models are a little different. The 23 DBH and 26 DBH have a rear campside full bath next to a double bunk. Having the bathroom on the campside allows for a second entry, so friends and family aren't dragging dirt through the whole camper to use the restroom. Both floor plans offer a queen bed at the front of the unit, a campside kitchen, and a U-shaped dinette in a slide. The 26 DBH also offers a sofa in the slide and has a larger pantry. The 29 BH and 29 TE are very similar quad bunk floor plans. The main differences are bathroom location and kitchen orientation, which also affect entrance locations and some storage. Both models feature a queen bed at the front, 4 bunk beds in the rear of the camper, and a super slide housing both a U-shaped dinette and sofa across from the campside kitchen. The final bunk model is the 19SM. It offers a rear queen bed slide with a second queen bed at the front of the camper that has a bunk over it. This floor plan also has a dry bath, pantry, and a sofa across from the campside dinette. The remaining 5 non-bunk models all feature a queen bed at the front of the unit and their own unique layouts. The 18MT and 24JS both have similar rear bath layouts, with the exception of the 18MT having a Murphy bed and the 24JS has a fixed bed with a center jackknife sofa. The 23MK and 25RL both offer a large sofa at the rear of the unit and a walk-through bathroom separating the queen bed and the rest of the living area. The 23MK has a U-shaped dinette in a slide across from the campside kitchen, and the 25RL gets a campside dinette across from the kitchen. The final standard travel trailer floor plan is the 20RDSE. It features a large rear U-shaped dinette, a campside sink and stove across from the refrigerator, pantry, and bathroom. Now, let's move on to the toy hauler models. The 19RR is the only model that doesn't have a removable dinette table and fold-down sofas at the rear of the unit in the garage space. Instead, it gets a single fold-down sofa. There's also a campside kitchen and a queen bed at the front of the unit next to the full bath. The 22RR, 25RRT, and 26RR all have the removable dinette table in the garage, fold-down sofas to either side of the table, and a queen-size bed in the front of the unit. The 22RR and 25RRT both have a side aisle bath, while the 26RR has a pass-through bath. Other than the bathroom, both the 25RRT and 26RR have a very similar layout with 2 optional chairs on the campside. The final floor plan is the 27RR. Like the others mentioned, it has a queen-size bed up front, a removable dinette table, and fold-down sofas at the rear. This unit divides the garage space into its own unique space though, thanks in part to the midship walk-through bathroom. The living space contains a large U-shaped dinette and a slide, and across from that is the campside kitchen. Now that we've gone over the floor plans, let's move on to the features of the Grey Wolf. The Grey Wolf comes backup camera ready, plus has both outside TV and solar prep. It comes with a power awning and power tongue jack on certain models as well. Additional features include 40-inch dinette drawers on certain models, 6-gallon water heater, HDMI entertainment system, electric fireplace on select models, kitchen skylight with a shade, LED interior lights, farm-style stainless steel sink, and Furion kitchen appliances. As you can see, the Grey Wolf provides a lot of options for the money. So whether you need something to haul gear, sleep a bunch of people, or just be a getaway for two, Grey Wolf has something for everyone.